Hi, this is Little Chinese Channel, 小小中文, Lesson 44. In this lesson, we will be learning these 5 radicals. For the first radical, we use a dot, another dot, finally a horizontal stroke with a hook at the end. This radical is called 宝盖头, 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 宝盖头. Comes from the character 宝, which means something that is important to you. 宝盖头 is often at the top of a character. Here are some examples of what 宝盖头 can make. For the next radical, we use a dot, a stroke that looks like a small 3, and a stroke like this. This radical is called 走之底, 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 走之底. Comes from the character 走, which means walk. This character is often at the bottom left of a character. Look how many characters 走之底 can make. For the third radical, we use a stroke like this, and another stroke that looks like that. Finally, an upward stroke. This radical is called 绞丝旁, 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 绞丝旁. Comes from the character 丝, which means silk. This radical is often at the left of a character. 绞丝旁 is a building block of these characters. For the next radical, we use a downstroke to the left, a horizontal stroke, a downstroke to the left, and a downstroke to the right. This radical is called 反文旁, 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 反文旁. Comes from the character 文, which means literature. Here are some characters that 反文旁 can make. For the last radical, we use a dot and 3 more dots. This radical is called 四点底, 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 四点底. Comes from the character 火, which means fire. Notice how these 4 dots look like little fire. This radical is often be at the bottom of a character, and all the characters that 四点底 can make are mostly related with fire. Here are some characters that 四点底 can make. Okay, that's right. Remember when you're writing to follow the stroke sequence. 宝盖头, 走之底, 绞丝旁, 反文旁4点底。Goodbye, the lesson is done.